In this video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe to BASE44 step by step. First, go to the Stripe website and log in to your account. After logging in, use the search bar and look for API keys. Now, you will see the option to create a new API key. Stripe may provide options such as standard key or restricted key. Select the option Build Your Own Integration. Now choose a name for your key. For example, you can name it BASE44. After that, select the key permissions. In this case, you can enable read and write permissions. Now click Create or Apply to generate the key. After creating the key, copy the generated API key. Now go to the BASE44 website and log in to your account. Open the project you want to integrate with Stripe. You can access the API area inside BASE44, or you can use the BASE44 chat to help configure the integration. Paste the Stripe API key when requested. After that, BASE44 will start configuring the integration automatically. If any errors appear, you can fix them using the chat or by reviewing the project code.